Hello and welcome to Sick Science. Today we will be crushing this can of Coke using just hot and cold water. So just stay tuned. For this experiment, we will be needing an empty can of Coke, some water at room temperature, and a bowl of cold water, preferably ice cold water. So let's start. Let's take this empty can of Coke and let's add about 100 ml of room temperature water in the Coke, like this. And then we will be heating this can of water. So I'm gonna light my fire here and let's be careful. Alright. Okay, so the fire is on and carefully I'm using a tong here and I'll be heating this water. Now you have to heat this water until you see steam coming up from the top. So I think it's gonna take a while. Okay, so now we can see that the steam has started coming out of the water has started boiling. What we have to do next is very carefully just dump this can in cold water upside down. That means the opening should be facing downwards inside the cold water. Alright, are we ready? 1, 2. Alright, so we can see now the can is completely crushed. Should know, I think all of us would know that this is not an easy can to be crushed. So it's very difficult to crush the can with your hand, but just using hot and cold water, it's completely crushed, as you can see. Now let's understand the science behind it. So what happens is when the water is at room temperature, it takes a very small area of the can and the pressure is not so high. But when we heat the water, it starts changing from liquid state to gaseous state, and then steam covers up a huge part of the can. It's covered by steam, and then atmospheric pressure is equal to the pressure inside the can. Now as soon as we dump it into cold water, the steam converts back into water, that is the liquid state, and thus the area or the pressure decreases rapidly, which means that to compensate the pressure, the atmospheric pressure pushes the can inside to bring the balance in the can of pressure, and that is why the can gets crushed. It's all because of the atmosphere. Come back again to watch more science experiments like this. Thank you. Bye bye.